In this video we'll see what is pricing condition supplement, and we'll see in SD sales order pricing. So let's start. So let's first create a sales order, and we'll see what is the pricing procedure. Let's say determined here. We can see from the customizing. Let's say I want to create a sales order for the sales area, and if I go to here, if I give here, and I can give some my reference number, and I can take a material. Okay, so once I take a material, so the pricing gets calculated, so I can select it and go to pricing analysis, item conditions, and I can see here. Okay, so the pricing procedure is triggered for this one. The pricing procedure is triggered, and a condition record is maintained for this material. And if you see here, this PR00, this is the price, and it is 799, and it has some discount, but it is not maintained anything. We can manually maintain it, and we can see what is the pricing procedure which is triggered, and we get okay. So this is the pricing procedure which gets triggered for this one, ZVA001. Okay, fine. So what we can do is here we can see the pricing procedure. It is V/08. Also we can go from the SPRO path. So this is the pricing procedure which gets triggered. And if you see here, so there are couple of so this is many condition types is here, and if in our so this is triggered. So let's see, so this one, and where you can see so the condition record is already maintained, so we can the condition records can be created for pricing, can be created in VK11, and VK12 we can change, and VK13 we can at least see it. So if I go here, and we okay, so this pricing procedure is triggered, this condition type is found, and the price is found 799 here. Okay, so what we can do here, we can come to here and we can see, and okay, now this is our sales area data, this is our material, perfectly fine. And if you can see here, for this material what we have done is we say okay, 799 euro is the rupees for one piece, and that is what gets calculated here. Okay, so what we can, so now, so further let's see. So now what is happening, so before condition supplements, let's see something else. So let's say we want to give some discount to the customer, so how we can set it up here. So if I go to the condition pricing procedure, and we can see here, so there are different, so let's come down, what we have here, so there are couple of discounts can be given. So if you see here, this is discount from the net, the condition type is RA00, and directly RC00, RB00. So this one is weight discount. So there are several multiple discounts that can be given. So let's focus on one of the discount. Let's say RC00. This is the condition type is RC00. So let's see what is so we can see the condition types /OV/06. So let's talk about it. So what we can do, we can go to RC00. So for this quantity, so this is the quantity discount. If I double click the details, so if you see here, this condition type, it doesn't have access sequence. So if it doesn't have access sequence, so there is no condition table, so we cannot maintain the condition records for this condition type. Okay, and if you see here, this is the item condition also. If you see here in the condition type, perfect. So what we can do here, so if you see here on this item, so the price, if you go down, the condition types RC00 is not calculated, because why? Because we cannot maintain the condition record for RC00, and it is item condition. And if we can come down to the pricing procedure here, and if you see here, this is a manual condition. Okay, so this is a manual condition. What does it mean is we can, so, and also here it says this is item condition. So what, so we are in the item label, so what we can say RC00, I can give it RC00, and I can say okay, 5 rupees discount, I can say. Okay, so what it so what we can do here, we can give RC00 and so we say for one count, so it takes plus, we can say the minus symbol. Okay, so minus. So if you see here, so manually we provided discount. Okay, so if you see here, the original price is item is 719 calculated for one piece, and we provide a manual discount here. Okay, so this is item condition, manual condition we can provide, and minus. So this is a discount here. Now it cannot be calculated automatically, because what we can do, so so we can go to VK11. Okay, so we can go to VK11 and we can say RC00. So it says that there is no access sequence required. That means we cannot maintain the condition type for RC00. That is for sure, because it doesn't have access sequence, and if there is no access sequence, there is no condition table, so we cannot maintain it out. So manually we have to give it. Okay, so that is clear. Now the question is, what is condition? So this is, so now up to now we understand what is how we can give a discount. Now let's understand what is a condition supplement. Okay, so now if you see here, we have a base price here. Okay, the price is calculated. Okay, and if you see here, this is our pricing procedure. So so this is the condition type PR00. Okay, now for the PR00, what so for the PR00 here we have maintained the condition record. So now here we can maintain the condition supplement. So if you select this one, and so if you click here, it is a condition supplement, and currently we can have a condition supplement. So if you can click here, so we can maintain a condition supplement here. Okay, or we can click on maintain a condition supplement here. Okay, so here we can maintain condition supplement. So either we go by menu, or here we have the icon in the toolbar, we can go it here. Okay, so now so we are in display mode, so let's go to the change mode. So for change mode we have to go to VK12. VK12. So now if we click on so we are in a change condition record mode, so we are PR00. So the condition is record maintained for this condition table, because the access sequence contains 3 condition tables, and we will go to the third one, and we already have. So if you click on here, and if you click on go to, anyway you can go to from here condition supplement. Now here we can maintain the condition supplement. So now, so condition supplement means we can give some kind of discount something. So if I give here now, so ideally it is taking this many, okay, it is showing me I can maintain this condition type, I can quantity discount. So from where it is coming up, so what exactly means, so let's go back something here. Okay, so let's so here, so let's open the condition type PR00. So if you look into this here, PR00, if I double click on it, so here in the master data section, we can assign a pricing procedure here. So this pricing procedure eventually is nothing but this is a, so let's for here. So if you see here, if you come to the usage part, if it is clearly intended here, the system uses this pricing procedure that you enter to control the condition supplements. Okay, so eventually if for PR00, you'll find there is a pricing procedure maintained here, PR some zeros. Okay, so we can go to that condition. So slash nv slash 08. Okay, so let's, okay, because already, so let's open this. So there is a pricing procedure. If you see here, there is another pricing procedure which is specifically used for the condition supplements, and if you see here, it contains PR00 and other condition types. If you see, other condition types are mostly the discounts. Okay, if you see here, the discounts. So now the condition type having a relation, or it contains a pricing procedure that provides the condition supplement, and so once you come to here, so now now if you come to PR00, now you'll find this symbol. or this is enabled. Because why? Because the PR00 having a relation to a condition supplement pricing procedure. So if it is not there, so let's say let me, for the testing, let me remove it. So that means the pricing procedure, the condition type PR0 doesn't have a reference to the condition supplement pricing procedure. So let's go back here. I will go back again. Now let's come to VK13. Sorry, we'll go to, okay, VK13 is for display. So, or you can go to the change mode also. So you'll find those are not there. So anyway, this is display transaction. Better I can show you and the change transaction. So if you see here, this is our items and everything. So if you see here, it is the button is disabled or it is invisible, and if you see here, this is invisible or it is disabled. Why? Because PR00 now doesn't have a link to the condition supplement pricing procedure. So that's why. So what we can do here, we can, okay, we can restore that. So now our pricing procedure is having a relationship to the condition supplement pricing procedure, and the condition supplement pricing here having these many fields. So let's come back again. So let's come back again slash n vk12. So it will be again read the condition records, and if I click on here, you'll see this button is coming up. So now I have to select and I can go here. So what we can do here, we can take a F4. So let's say I want to discount here. So that means, so when I'll create a sales order, and I'll put use this sales area and this material, and if this pricing procedure, calculate some pricing procedure triggered, and for that you'll have this condition type is determined. Okay, this condition type is, the price is determined, and then the discount can be accessed. So let's say I want to give a 10 rupees discount. Okay, so eventually I'll give a minus because I don't want to give a discount, so I can save it. Because we cannot maintain the condition records for RC00 because this condition type doesn't have a access sequence, but we can maintain as a condition supplement. Here, let's save it. So let's see VK13 here. So if you see here, so now we have something odd. So this is the condition record, and we have condition supplement in 10 rupees for one piece. Okay, so now let's create a sales order again. So earlier, if you see the sales order we tried to create, and it doesn't, it did not. So this condition type is not, came by default. We manually put it here. Okay, so now this time let's create a sales order. I do to save data first. No, I don't want to. I'll create one more. So here we can go. Can go. So let's give a PO number. So that's it, and then we'll give the material. Then I give a quantity as 1. So something. So let's select it and go to the item conditions, or we can double click on also and go to the item details, and we can go to the condition tab. So if you see here, if you see here, for one thing, the price is calculated 789. So how it is calculated? If you see here, the PR00799 rupees calculated for one piece, 799, and now RC00 is automatically calculated because we have maintained the condition supplement here. For this one, we have maintained the condition of RC00. It is 10 rupees minus 10 rupees for one piece, and that is what it is subtracted from here. Now if you see the analysis part also here, if you see here RC, so if you see here RC00, and it says that RC00, it is a condition supplement for PR00. Yeah. So that's it. So that is how the condition supplement gets calculated uh, in SD orders. Hope this video